Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial of Siemens NX CAD. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component. While modeling this component, first we have to do material addition features, then we need to go for material removal feature. In this model, I am going to start with these two plates first, then I will model this rib. After modeling this material addition feature, I will go with the material removal of these two cut and finally this cut. Now we will learn how to model this component using NX one by one. Just go to the NX. After modeling the component will look like this. This is the final component. Now we will learn step by step in here. Just go to the file, new. Here we have to choose the unit template, millimeter, model. We can specify the location. The location is 2. Just say OK. We can give any part name. Just say OK. Now we have opened the file. For easy explanation, I am just keeping the sketch file here and software in the right side. For easy drawing, now we will start drawing it. First go to the sketch. First I am going to choose the front plane. Say OK. First I am going to model this L-shaped sketch. For that, first take the rectangle, or you can take the sketch. Start with 0. Here, somewhere here, close the sketch, just say OK. This solid color indicates that the sketch is closed. Press the roller to confirm again. Now we need to specify the dimension. This one is 22. Just make it no and press the roller again. Again this one they have given 100. Double click here, specify the value, enter it, press the roller again, and the total height from the bottom to top is 70. They were 75. Just select this point and select this axis. Double click this value. This one is 75. Press the roller. This one you can keep it somewhere here. And we need to specify this thickness. This one is 15. Just double click here. This one is 15. Here you can see sketch is completely defined. And this black color line also indicates that the sketch is completely defined. Finish sketch. Now just go to the extrude. Make its symmetric value. The extrusion length is 64. Here boolean, you just make it infrared. It's nothing but no boolean. Just say OK. Add the sketch. Now we have created this L plate. Then we need to create this rib. For that, go to the sketch. Front plane. This one wherever you want to keep, you can keep. Keep it the same location. Say OK. Orient to the view. Now take the line, because I am going to draw only one line, or take profile also. Here make sure you are within the part, work part. Now here it is connected somewhere here. Just place it here, connect it somewhere there, and here also connect it somewhere here. And press the roller, just OK, and again press the roller. Now we need to specify the dimension. From this height is 40 and this length is 70. Now just select this point and select this line, double click this value. This one is the 40. press the roller, just move this dimension here. Similarly here, select this point, select this line, double click this value, this line is 70, press the roller. Now see, the line is fully defined. This black color also indicates that the line is fully defined. Now just finish the sketch. Now we just want to choose the rib profile. The rib profile is here, I have taken here. If you are not getting this rib, just go to the menu, insert, design features. Whatever the options are there, you can choose it here also. I am just choosing here rib. Automatically it generates the solid object with a symmetric profile with the thickness of previously used. I have used this one. So if you want to change this value also, you can change it 10. Like this we can change. In this case our thickness is 12. Symmetric. One side if you want, you can choose one side. By changing the direction it will come one side. Okay. Now we just want to choose symmetric with the thickness of 12. Just apply OK. See, the rib is created. Then we need to remove the material from here and here and here. Just go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Keep the sketch here. Say OK. Now take a line, multi-line. Here we choose within part only. Here select this point. Somewhere here. And click somewhere here. And click it here. Just say OK. Just Ctrl Z. The starting point has to be chosen. Right click, select the sketch, start point of the extrude, then go in this location. Here, say OK. Now the sketch is closed. Now we need to define the geometry dimension. Select this line, double click this value. This one is 60. Press the roller again. Select this line, double click this value. This also be 16. Press the roller. Now the sketch is defined completely. Now we need to mirror this feature. We can mirror sketch also. Now just finish the sketch. Go to extrude. Change the direction. Make it to until next. Subtract the value. Just say OK. The same feature has to be mirrored in this location. For that, mirror feature. Here we don't have any planes. To create a plane, just select it here. Datum plane. Select the surface and select the surface. You will get the mid plane, mid location, plane at the mid location. Just apply OK. Now select this extrude 6. Go to the mirror feature. Select this plane. Extrude 6. Select the plane. Apply. Now you got this one. Now we have got this cut also. Now just go to this cut. For this cut, go to sketch. Select the surface. Keep the sketch here. Say OK. First draw the profile. Just randomly draw it. OK. Press the roller. Again press the roller. Now just specify the dimension. This dimension is 30. Just know. This dimension they are not specified it. Just press the roller. and this angle is 60. This height is 12. Press the roller. Now we need to specify this angle. For that, just go to the relax dimension, specify this line, select this line, or Ctrl Z. This one is 12. Go to the rapid dimension, select this line, and again select this line. You will get the angle. The angle is 60 degree. Similarly here also, select this line, select this axis, and close. Now just double click this value. This one is 60 and this to be a 60. Press the roller. Now to make it symmetric, first put the axis. Select this one. Here you just put a line. Make it construction. Now make it symmetric now. Now just select this symmetric feature. Select this point. Select this point. Select this point and select this axis. Just apply. Similarly, select this point. Select this point. Apply this axis. Just OK. Now the object is completely symmetric. Now make Ctrl Z. This is symmetric now. From here to it is 32. Now just say OK, finish the sketch. Extrude. Reverse the direction. Automatically it subtracts up to the next. Until next. Here you can see. Just say OK and hide the sketch. Just right click here, orient view, isometric view. Now we have finished this model in NX. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Next tutorial we will come up with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.